Kung hindi ka pa nagkakaroon ng ads on Reels, i-guide kita kung paano ka magkakaroon ng ads on Reels. Siyempre, marami na ang gumawa nito at effective sa kanila. Baka hindi mo pa nagagawa, so i-try mo na, okay? Step by step. So, una, gawin natin ay pindutin natin yung tatlong tuldok dyan sa side. Yan. Tapos, kunin lang natin yung ating link. Copy link lang natin. After nyan, pumunta tayo sa ating dashboards, okay? I-screenshot din natin yan. Kung green man or red, ay okay lang yan. After nyan, i-screenshot din natin ang ating mga monetization tools. Kapag wala ka pang mga tools dyan, ay stars lang, okay lang din yan. Yan yung dahilan kung bakit natin i-report yung ating problema para magkaroon na tayo ng ads on Reels. At syempre, after nyan, i-shake nyo na lang yung phone nyo ngayon dahil hindi natin kailangan pumunta sa help and support dahil i-shake lang natin yan, direct to report na yan. Include a report. Describe your report. Hindi magiging kumpleto yung report natin kung wala tayong ilalagay na message dyan, okay? Ito yung gagawin nyo guys, o diba? Dear Facebook team, good day. May I request to have ads on Reels on my monetization? You can check my performance in last 28 days and promise to improve more on my content. Please see attached screenshot of my dashboards and monetization. Hoping for your kind consideration. Thank you so much, okay? Don't forget guys, yung kinapik link natin kanina ay ilalagay din natin dyan.